Ever felt that burning rage when someone doubted you, that fire when life feels unfair? Here's a secret: anger isn't your enemy, it's untapped power. In fact, research from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who harness their anger for goal achievement are 23% more likely to succeed than those who suppress it. So if you've been told to calm down or let it go, ignore that advice. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful ways to turn your anger into your biggest advantage. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll never look at anger the same way again. Anger creates a surge of adrenaline. It's your body's natural energy boost. Instead of seeing anger as destructive, reframe it as fuel for action. The next time you feel that fire, ask yourself, what can I build with this energy? Start a project, crush a workout, channel it into your goals. Ever hear the phrase, I'll show them? It works. Use anger to set revenge-free, success-focused goals. When someone doubts you, don't stew in frustration. Instead, write down a goal and think, I'll prove myself through results. This shifts anger from emotional chaos into productive momentum. Anger without control is destruction. Anger with direction, that's success. When emotions run high, pause, breathe, and then choose one action to move forward, not a reaction, an action. This transforms impulsive anger into intentional achievement. Anger doesn't have to break you, it can build you, and if you use it right, reframe it, set goals with it, and act with control. Remember, the fire within you isn't a flaw, it's your secret weapon. Thanks for listening to Mind Workout. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's one goal you're gonna fuel with your fire?